Welcome to Cakes Factory. I'm your host Sumbal Shazadi. Today we are diving into 2025's most eye-catching cake trend, sprinkles and confetti cakes. Get ready for a slideshow full of colorful inspiration and heavy cake vibes. The first one is classic sprinkle cakes. Let's start with the classic. These cakes are fully coated in the rainbow sprinkles, giving them the iconic confetti look. Perfect for kids' party, baby showers, or even full adult parties. Pair it with a simple white or pastel buttercream to let the color pop. The next is sprinkle border and rips. Next up, sprinkle accent. Add a clean sprinkle border around the bottom of the cake, or place sprinkle only on the top edge for a clean and modern look. Combine with the drip design for a double the fun. Want a twist? Try a chocolate drip with matching sprinkle blends. The next is confetti inside cake. Let's go inside. Confetti cake are not just pretty outside. They are surprise cake inside. Use rainbow sprinkles in the batter for confetti effect. Every slice reveals a burst of color and a touch of magic. These cakes are super popular of gender reveals, surprise parties, and kids' birthdays. The next is themed sprinkle cakes. Now let's talk themes. Sprinkle cakes can match any party theme from unicorn and mermaid to neon glow and galaxy colors. Just a, pick a sprinkle blend that fit your look. Try mixing color custom with edible glitter or metallic style for extra sparkle. The next is sprinkle shape and design. Sprinkle or not just dot anymore. Use heart shape, stars or letter sprinkles to make your cake extra unique. Some decorators create patterns like rainbows, initials, or hearts. Just using sprinkles. Want to spell someone's name in sprinkle? You can. Sprinkle topper and cupcakes. It is not just cake, sprinkle covered cupcakes and cake pops are trending too. Add a swirl of colorful buttercream and top it with matching sprinkles. Perfect to dessert table, school events, or gifts. Try using sprinkle lollipops or candy confetti as toppers. Use a cake smoother to press sprinkle gently into frosting. Always chill your cake slightly so sprinkles stick better. Use sprinkle texture for a fancy finish. So, which sprinkle style is your favorite? Let us know in the comment below. And don't forget to like this video and share this video to your loved ones who love sprinkles, or the children's, or the one who want to bake a cake for their child like this, or a sprinkle cake for their child on their next birthday. Subscribe to Cakes Factory for more creative ideas every day, only on Cakes Factory. And try to share your love and feelings with others. And cake is the one of the best way to share your feeling and thoughts, or make others or your favorite person smile. So it's the best way of smiling, or to make smile others. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.